Yo, what's up guys? My name is Gamer Panda. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to play a game called Camping. And this game's really fun. I've tried it a couple times, but I never made it to the end. I know what the end is, but I never gotten to be in it. So today we'll be going and playing it, and let's get in this one. Okay, we got some peoples. Okay, we're meeting two more people. People, get in this truck. Hello there. Yeah, hello. 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 Here we go. We're going in the future. We'll see you at the camp. We're back. Welcome to the Specky Woods. Today, you and your friends will be having an amazing time exploring the wonders of the forest. Ooh. Keep watch for useful items in the forest. Okay. Anything else you want to say? What are you waiting for? It will be night before you know it. Yeah, I know that. We'll get finished with your talking so we can explore. So I've seen this before, but I want to show you guys some. So over here, we've got a cave over here. Wishing well. Got a lake over here that does nothing. Campsites right here. And I think those poles are for the end, because I've heard that at the end the forest will fill with darkness. And I actually played this game with my friends today, so we'll be standing up here, and the guy will have a path. We're gonna see if we can survive this or not. I love it. Okay. Got a blue tent. We got a red tent. We got a campfire. And I believe so. Something's gonna pop up in it. I don't want to spoil everything. So I'm just gonna say I believe something's going to go like pop up on it. I know who it is, but I'm not gonna spoil it because some of you might have not played this game, and I think you should. Night is approaching, by the way. Look at that sun. It's setting. Goodbye, sun. Bye. We love you, sun. No way, come back. Something's gonna kill us all. I can't talk to the sun, so we're gonna die anyways. Hello, sandwiches. I wish to eat you soon. Girls, get off that pole. And as night is, of course, approaching. And get out of that cave. Got it. Anyways. Night is approaching, I said? Yeah, night is approaching. Okay, sit back, relax, and tell stories by the campfire. No, thank you. I'm running. Goodbye. If you never knew, something's gonna come to the campsite. Run! Oh God, the thing just popped up. I wish I showed you that. I'm sorry. I just wanted to show you this. I'll be right back. Sorry, there's a thing that said, what was that thing? And by the way, this rain is toxic, so we're not gonna be around here. Sorry, we're gonna stay here for a bit. There's really nothing to do. All you can do is really just walk around and stuff. Now I would have just showed you that, but I just wanted to go to the cave because I knew what happened. Anyways. Oh my God, there's only three of us. What? What happened to everybody else? There's like 5, 6 12 people! The sun is rising. Yay! Thank you very much. Game. Oh, why am I lagging? Dude! Where's everybody? Look at that game chart! There's barely anybody in the game. What? Silly. Oh no! One of the tents collapsed. Yeah, it's probably because of the random creature that came. Boy. You can't all fit in one tent. You'll have to take shelter in the cave tonight. Actually, we can't because there's only 3 of us. So we could do this. Game thinks so. Oh, whatever. Hi, I'm Park Ranger Dylan. We believe a bear was killing off the deer. Possibly. We plan to have these bear traps set up by nightfall. Be careful for them. You'll be safe if you stay within the camping area. Aye. Well, if the monster killed it, you know it's definitely not a bear. It's not a bear. Boy. I hate that this game makes us wait for stuff. Anyways, there's more stuff that I haven't shown you yet. There's this little cabin. What the heck was that? I think I heard something else. Okay, we're good. So this is a little shack. It has something in it. It has like a hammer. I can't really get it because it's like boarded off for some reason. Well, notice that there's a part where you have to get the food, and there's going to be something within it. I don't want to tell you what's in it. When we see those sandwiches, and there's only 5 of them. Yeah, night is approaching, and the monster's going to kill us all, so might as well walk through the cave. Walking through the cave. Tonight is another stormy night. Can I say something else? Hello? You gonna say something? Pretty sure you're supposed to say something else. Sorry. Was there something else you saw? Because I don't think I saw it. Okay, say that we forgot something. Say that we forgot in the food. Well, what I know is that I'm probably the only one that could get it. But for me, slowly you realize you forgot about it. Not doing it. Not doing it. Boy, haha. Not doing it. You must send something. Come on, you guys go. Go. That's your fault that you got one. Okay, don't make me. I'm scared. Come on. You do it. Jam. There you go. You do it, Jam. Do it, Jam. Do it. Please. Or else I'll kick you for my whole entire life. Or else this game will go forever. And oh, he's going. Oh my god, I didn't expect him to go. Oh my god. I did not expect him to do that. Okay, let's look at the player chart. He might die. I feel bad for this guy. Sorry, dude. Just go get the basket. This is Jay's fault. He should have done. Jay? Dude, this guy's gonna die. I feel bad for him. Come on, come back. Come back. Dude, this guy better come back. He's the only chance we could get. Oh my god, he died. James? This is your fault. Fine. Good. You do it. You do it. Jay. Jay. Do it. Jay, do it. Please. Before I hunt you down for your life. Jay, do it. Oh my god, fine. Oh my god, fine. Oh my god. Jay's gonna get us both killed. Then he will be alone. Dude. Barely anyone's in the game anymore. I feel bad for this guy. He didn't want to do it, but Jay didn't want to. So now I have to be the one that gets the stuff. Dude, I'm gonna die by the time I get to the cave. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, got it. No. Dude, I'm not gonna make it in time. Oh my god, I actually did that. Dude, I'm gonna die. I'm probably gonna be the one that gets poisoned. I'm so the one that's gonna get poisoned. This is your fault, Jay. It's your fault that I get poisoned. Okay, now everyone's telling me how I found out one of them has been poisoned. It's me. It's going to be me. Jay, it's your fault if the guy poisoned. Oh my god! What? What? Wait. What? Dude, how did I? Dude, I'm the last person in the game. Guys, I'm sorry, we can't continue this right here. I'll pause the video and I'll go back to the one that someone's already been part where someone's already been poisoned. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, I'm in a new game. I know I said I was gonna go to the poisoning, but I wanted to show you what the thing is. I just really want to show you what the guy. There he is! There he is! We're running. I'll see you at the poison sandwiches. Okay, we're back, and we're at the poison sandwiches. Yep, this is the whole crew. The rest died before. I hope it's not me because this game is perfect to be in. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people than last time. There's one of us left. Now it's me. Oh my god, one of these sandwiches are poison. Hopefully not me. No, it's me! It's me! It's me! Oh no! Oh my god, guys. That's it. Oh my god, guys. No! I'm trying to get the full thing! Dang! Okay, I'm gonna join a different one. And after someone's poisoned, we're gonna continue. Okay? I want to see the whole thing. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're at the sandwich part again. I finally got the greatest team ever. 9 people in it. Horrible. I'm a horrible person. I will be poisoned. I am a horrible person. I will be poisoned. Oh my god. Girl, you're upsetting your life. Dude, this girl's upsetting her life. Rip Fox! Rip Fox! Rip. R.I.P. Fox. I.R.P. Fox. Oh, sorry, Fox. Fox is good! I had to go into multiple games, by the way. The time I started this was like at 7, and now it's like 8, so... But give a lot of comments and likes on this video. It took me a while. It's taking me. No, I know where it is. Boy, I'm not dumb. Around here. Whoa! This guy found a loose one. Got a record. Whoa! Ooh! Oh my god! Oh my god! We only have 5 people left. Ouch! Run! Come on! There's 2 people down here. We need 3 more. Come down here. Anyways, we're losing a lot of people. Sorry. But come back. Come on. Come down here. Come down here. I thought they replaced this. Come down here. Come down here. Come down. Come here. Jump down. Please. Wow, okay. Please come down. Down. Please come down. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh god again. Okay. This is like flood. This is like the flood thing. Sorry, girl. I feel bad for her. Dude, rip her. Oh god. Guys, I don't think I'm gonna make it really. Rip me. Oh my god, guys. What the heck? Oh my god. I'm the last person! What? Oh my god, guys. I'm the last person to be alive. Oh my god. So this does nothing. Oh my god. What? Sun is rising. Yes. Oh my god, guys. We're almost over here. No! Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, I'm the last person. Oh my god. Oh my god. This camping trip has turned out to be into a disaster. That monster seems it only attacked at night. Oh my god. Oh my god. A rescue team will. Oh my god, just survive one more night. What? What is this? I'm still alive. Boy, I know that. Oh my god, guys, if you don't know, this is probably the scariest part ever. I'm going up here. Oh my god. Dude, no, seriously. This is my first time to be at the end. For some reason, my heart is pumping so fast. For some reason, I feel like I want to leave so bad. I've never been on this part. For some reason, I'm so scared. Oh my god. I'm scared. No, I'm seriously, not kidding. I'm not kidding. Okay, come on, please. I want to end this game. Come on, game. Please. Pretty goodness, please. My heart is pumping fast. You better, game. You better sever get this game over with. Oh, please get this game over with. I'm done with this game. This is probably the scariest part ever, and I'm done. I'm done with this game. I am done with this game. I'm done. Oh my god. For some reason, I don't want to get out yet because my goal is to do this whole thing. Okay, come on. Oh, where's the pose? Where's the pose? Oh my god, come on. Let me do the pole. I'm scared. Dude, this is a game I'm never going to play again. Oh my god. What the heck? Let me over there. I'm so done. Guys, I'm done with this game. Just hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. Please give me support because I'm scared. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. By the way, shout out to Owen Walker, and another shout out to Oliver Fortnite God. He says, and oh, it's beginning to rain. Blah blah blah. And really, I hope you really enjoyed this. Last shout out is to Nightwalker. Anyway, those are the shout outs, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!